Hey guys, welcome back. Let me set up the problem for you that I have today. My pool was leaking the Intex Ultra Frame. We have a ton of videos about that on the channel. It's about a month before pool opening, and I saw it was dripping out the drain cap. And I tried to tighten the drain cap, and it just crumbled in my hands. And let me insert a little bit of video to show you what was happening. Uh-oh guys, got a big problem with the Intex pool. My drain cap has just kind of disintegrated, and we're about a month away from pool opening, so stay tuned to see if we can fix this and if the pool survives. Well, I really need to stop the leaking. Like I said, about a month away from opening the pool, so I don't really want to fill it up and get it all ready and all that because it's still too cold. So this is what I did. You can see I found on printables they had a drain adapter, but it was to fit a hose on and basically drain the pool and get the water away from the pool. Well, I don't want it to leak at all, so I took it into OpenSCAD, and you can see here's the import statement for the STL. What I do is I just drag the file and drop it here, and that automatically puts a link to it. And then I just added a cylinder in the middle to fill it up. And you can see the cylinder has a height of 20, a radius of 7, so it's 14 millimeters or so in size. And then I translated that up on the Z to move it up so it would sit in the middle of where the original hole was. And you can see it's plugged now. So it is basically just a way to make a cap super quick because it was a mess and it was leaking everywhere. And I went ahead and 3D printed that. And then I went out and I screwed it on the pool and fixed the problem. Let's go take a look at it. And here is the finished product, guys. It's got some dirt on it because it's been raining. But yes, we have stopped the leak, at least temporarily. I don't have a gasket or anything in there, so it's probably dripping a little bit. But I did order new caps from Intex, and they should be here within a week. So this is just kind of my stopgap solution. There you can see where it just disintegrated right in my hands as I tried to tighten it up when I saw it was dripping out pretty excessively. Here's the other pieces. I'm going to have to redo this down here, aren't I? It's got the mulch is going away, and so maybe I will have to drain it eventually, but not to worry about that now. There's the fix. Well, hey guys, just another quick fix with the Intex pool with some 3D printed parts, custom designed 3D printed parts. So I will link the original model down in the description, and if you want to alter it or do whatever you need to do, you can. And if you need something like this, let me know. I can probably throw it up on a Google Drive or something and share it. Like I said, not my original design, just altered it. But thanks for watching, and look for a couple more videos on that because I've got some other fixes planned. And we'll see you next time.